Hey everybody, it's Eric from Aquanuga. Today's video we're going to introduce the Matala Filter Kits for the Atlantic FilterFalls. These are going to be available for all four models of the FilterFalls, the BF1600, which we'll focus on today, as well as the 1900, the 2600, and the 3800. Now this is a great way to get some extra biological and mechanical filtration out of your existing Atlantic FilterFalls. So as these FilterFalls come, you're going to have two of these green filter pads, as well as a bag to add additional filter material, like bio balls, something of that nature. But if we do want to upgrade that, we'll just get rid of those, and we're going to bring in the Matala Filter Kit. Now the Matala Kit is 3 pads, 3 colors, 3 different densities. So you're going to have a black, a green, and a blue. Now the Matala filter media has great surface area and great flow-through rate. So it's that flow-through rate of the progressive density that really gives this a boost. So the black is going to be the most coarse, larger debris is getting caught there before flowing through to the green, where the next largest debris is getting caught, finally to the blue for your finer debris. And you do want to make sure that as you're installing these, they're going in that order to maximize that efficiency. With the FilterFalls, the water entering from the bottom, that means black goes down first, followed by the green, and finally the blue. And then we can put our top grate, or our support bar, and our top grate back in place, and you're ready to develop that filtration. Now, one set fits well inside each FilterFalls. Technically they are rated to handle up to 2 sets, but it's real tight in there. But if you want to do that, you absolutely can. Just make sure that if you're doing that, you're putting the pads the same order. So it'd be both blacks, followed by both greens, followed by both blue pads. And again, that is available for the 1600, as well as the 1900, the 2600, and the 3800. Hope that helps explain the Matala filter kits for the Atlantic FilterFalls. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.